Could you believe that I met a lawyer, not a doctor, inside that compound, just for them to arrange what they wanted to arrange? I was so sure when I hear say the 26 years was having a will. Me as a father, I'm 50, 60 years of age now. I do not have something like that. I never think of say writing my will. 26 years old boy was writing a will.
My people, things they really occur for this life where me and you do. We all remember the video where Mohbad papa do where he talks say him son, a 26-year-old boy, don't the right will. When him papa, a 56 years old man, never even started to think of writing will. My people now there kasara don't boss as Mohbad management don't come out, come begin disclaim say na lie way him papa lie. Look at what thing they bring out. This never end here, cause waiting they shock you day on its way. My people, you see Amebo girl seen for this channel. They carry come undiluted as then they cook them na side they carry come give for now. So my Amebo people, I hope so una carry shit done, cause this matter long well. As I they talk, that's all the management come out, come begin disclaim say waiting the papa talk na lie. And so they slam the man 240 million naira. Hey, no be small thing. Who go pay this one? Way? But my question be say, if to say Mohbad die alive, we allow the management sue him own papa a whopping 240 million naira. I mean, my people waiting on a thing. Do you think for management matter they know they look face, they don't even sabi if this one na your papa? Someone for comment section even talk say management know they look, they can even sue Mohbad itself. Drop your opinion for comment section, my people. See you guys on my next episode. Bye.